The world of HR and recruitment involves managing a lot of data, from job postings to candidate information. Applicant tracking systems, ATS, streamline this process, but businesses often seek versatile tools that can handle more. This leads to a common question. Can ClickUp, known for project management, also function as an ATS? To address this, let's explore the core functions of an ATS and then examine how ClickUp aligns with these needs. Understanding applicant tracking systems, ATS. An ATS is software that helps organizations manage the hiring process. It helps to job posting, create and distribute job openings across various platforms. Candidate sourcing, gather applications from different sources. Candidate management, store and organize candidate data. Application screening, filter and rank applicants based on qualifications. Communication, facilitate communication with candidates. Collaboration, enable hiring teams to collaborate on candidate evaluation. Reporting, generate reports on hiring metrics. ClickUp's strengths, project management and flexibility. ClickUp is a project management platform that allows teams to organize and track their work. Its key strengths include customization. ClickUp is known for its high degree of customization. You can tailor it to fit many workflows. Task management, create, assign, and track tasks, which can be adapted to manage hiring stages. Custom fields, add custom fields to store specific candidate information. Views, visualize data in various formats like lists, boards, and calendars. Automation, automate repetitive tasks, such as sending email updates. Collaboration, enable team members to collaborate on tasks and share information. Can ClickUp function as an ATS? ClickUp can be adapted to handle some ATS functions, particularly for small to medium-sized businesses with less complex hiring needs. Here's how. Job posting. While ClickUp doesn't directly post to job boards, you can create tasks for each job opening, detailing requirements, and posting locations. Candidate management. Create a candidate's space or list. Use custom fields to store info like resumes, contact details, and qualifications. Application screening. Use ClickUp's filters and sorting to screen candidates based on criteria. Communication. While not a dedicated feature, you can use ClickUp tasks to track communication with candidates, storing emails or notes within the task. Collaboration. ClickUp enables team members to assign tasks, e.g., scheduling interviews, and share feedback on candidates. Workflow management. Customize ClickUp workflows to mirror your hiring process, e.g., application received, interview scheduled, offer sent. Utilizing ClickUp for recruitment. Here's a basic outline of how to set up ClickUp for recruitment. Create a space/list. Designate a space or list in ClickUp to manage your recruitment process. Define stages. Create stages or statuses that reflect your hiring workflow, e.g., sourcing, screening, interviewing. Add custom fields. Develop custom fields to capture essential candidate data, e.g., resume, contact info, skills, interview notes. Create task templates. Develop task templates for each stage of the hiring process to standardize procedures. Automate processes. Use ClickUp automations to streamline actions such as moving candidates between stages or sending notifications. Strengths of using ClickUp for hiring. Flexibility. ClickUp's adaptability lets you tailor your hiring process to your specific needs. Cost-effectiveness. For businesses already using ClickUp, it can be a budget-friendly way to manage hiring without additional ATS costs. Integration. ClickUp integrates with other tools, potentially streamlining data transfer. Collaboration. ClickUp promotes team collaboration throughout the hiring process. Limitations of using ClickUp for hiring. Limited native ATS features. ClickUp lacks some dedicated ATS features, such as automated job posting to boards, advanced resume parsing, and compliance management. Scalability. For large organizations with high-volume hiring, ClickUp may not be as scalable as a dedicated ATS. Reporting. While ClickUp offers reporting, it may not provide the specialized HR metrics found in dedicated ATS solutions. ClickUp versus dedicated ATS. Feature. ClickUp, dedicated ATS, job posting, manual posting, tracking within ClickUp, automated posting to numerous job boards, candidate sourcing, manual entry or import, resume parsing, integration with job boards, candidate management, customizable lists and custom fields, dedicated candidate database with advanced search, application screening, filtering and sorting, automated screening based on keywords and criteria, communication, task-based tracking, automated email sequences, candidate portals, collaboration, task assignment comments, interview scheduling, feedback collection, reporting, customizable dashboards, standardized HR reports, e.g., time to hire, scalability, suitable for small to medium-sized businesses, designed for high-volume recruiting at large organizations, compliance, requires manual setup, features to assist with EO, GDPR, and other regulations,